Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ada Beauty Skincare. Guys, in today's video I'm going to make a quick one. Yeah guys, I'm going for a party by 12 and it's 10 already. So I have just 2 hours to texturize my hair, take my shower, get my makeup done and get ready for this party. So guys, stay tuned and make sure to subscribe and like this video, share this video with your friends, leave your comments below. And for my old and new subscribers, thank you so much. I love you all. May God bless you all. So stay tuned guys and keep watching. Yeah guys, just keep watching. Okay beauties, I'm done with the texturizing. I'm just going to apply my hair conditioner and I'm going to wait for like 5 minutes. Then I'm going to wash it off before I can now apply my leave-in conditioner. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay beauties, so I think I'm going to make a ponytail hairstyle. I have this ponytail hair that was sent to me by Ladies Hair, and I've not done ponytail in my life before, so this is the first time I'm going to try this ponytail in my life. So let's see how it's going to come out, if it's going to look good on me. So do give this video a credit. I don't know, this is my first time of trying this, so stay tuned guys and keep watching. Let's do this together guys. Okay guys, I'm liking my hairstyle already. Yeah, this is actually my first time that I'm applying gel on my hair and I'm liking it. But anyways, let's see how it goes. So stay tuned guys. Stay tuned guys and keep watching. So guys, I'm done with my makeup and I'm done with my dressing. Everything is done. So I just have to fix my hair. Yeah guys, like I said before, this hair was sent to me by Ladies Hair. So I'm going to leave the link below my description box so that you can check this hair out. Yeah guys, this hair is so good and it feels like natural hair. Yeah, the hair does not tangle and it's very cheap, it's affordable. So guys, I'm just going to fix this and yeah, I have 30 minutes left because I'll be leaving this house by 12 o'clock. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share this video with your friends, ask me any question, and make sure to check out my playlist. I have two playlists here. One is for skincare and the other one is for um makeup tutorial, dressing code, and other stuff. Yeah guys, so stay tuned. I love you all. God bless you all. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.